Conversation.
ఇటు చూస్తూ చెప్పు.
My mother name
is Lakshmi.
ఇటు చూడు. ఫోన్ వైపు చూడు. గట్టిగా. ఏం కాదు, మళ్ళీ ఇదే చూద్దుగా నువ్వు.
పెద్దగా చెప్పు కొంచెం. మై మదర్ నేమ్ ఈజ్
Lakshmi.
Chiki. Storytelling.
Who cried wolf? And say shepherd got a great machine in a field. Then he thought of playing a trick on the villagers. He ran toward the village and told them that wolves are attacking. The kind villagers ran to the field, but there was no wolf. Before the villagers, the boy laughed at the villagers once again. The same trick suddenly, really, a wolf came into the field and began to kill them. The boy, with a great cry, the boy shouted to help, but no one came. Moral of the story: always tell the truth.
Storytelling. Sorry. Rhymes. Row, row, row.
Row, your boat gently on the day. Don't stand up and not the boat. That's a military.
పెద్దగా చెప్పు.
Row, your boat gently on the sea. Molly, life is but a dream. Pillu, went to see that sea. One dot a rose, one dot a ring, and one dot a pumpkin. Due to the tree, once I saw a little bird come off, and they cried, little bird, will you talk? I am going to the window to say, how did you pursue little and far away?
Very good.
I finished.
అంతేనా?